Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and happy July. I haven't vlogged in a hot minute, but I am a full-time corporate girly now. I started my full-time job when I came back from Japan, and I've been super busy just trying to get adjusted to that schedule, but also I've been going out, hanging out with my friends, doing a lot of stuff with my family, and I didn't really want to vlog it or put it on social media because I feel like it's nice sometimes to be present in the moment and not have to like update everyone what you're doing in every single second. So because I was, on social media a lot and vlogging a lot during my trip to Asia, I wanted to take a break for a little while and kind of be MIA and just, enjoy things for myself. But I'm ready to get back into vlogging now, and this is actually my first, I guess, like holiday since I started working full-time. I have a 4-day weekend, and I actually took off on Monday because Tuesday is 4th of July, and I actually have a lot of things planned for this weekend, so I thought it would be really fun to bring you guys along. But right now I am gonna head out in a little bit because I'm gonna go and eat lunch with my friend. We are gonna go and get hot pot, which I haven't had in like years, and then later tonight I'm gonna go to a bon dance with my family. But yeah, should be fun. This is my outfit for today. I am wearing this really cute purple flower crop top with this skirt that I think I got from Hollister, and then I also got these really cute shoes in Japan. They're from the brand Nerdy, and this is the first time I'm wearing them, you guys. No dirty shoes in the house. And I'm wearing them with these cute little pink polka dotted socks. Say hi to the vlog! Hello! This is Eden! We struggled through our coding class and our Korean class together and our math class, so...
Dude, that math class was something.
It was.
Not coding class though, oh my god. Not coding
class. No, I will never... I'm glad that I did not have to take it again. But yeah, yay!
Show me with chopsticks too. Are you sure you know how to use chopsticks holding it?
Why am I holding it like that? Sometimes I struggle. Oh my god.
No, just dump it in. Just pour the whole thing in.
Okay. Oh my god, I am spilling. Much easier. got a mint chip and a cookies and cream. Their cookies and cream is like the best because it's super chocolatey. So good. It's so hot today. So fat. I got an off-the-wall grilled cheese. Look at how good that looks. With these fat fries. How's your food?
So good.
Yummy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Is it really good? Did you dip it in your sauce or is it good just like plain?
It's good plain, but that's a good idea.
First bite.
That is so good.
Happy 4th, you guys! So I have a really exciting day planned today. I actually have family over right now and we are having a little lunch barbecue for the 4th. And then later tonight, I'm actually going on a booze cruise with some of my friends and there's gonna be a live DJ, it's BYOB, and there's also gonna be some fireworks. So yeah, it should be really fun. I actually am not the biggest 4th of July girly, but every year my family and I usually have a barbecue for the 4th. And then this year my friends actually wanted to do something for the 4th, so I thought why not, it should be fun. So yeah. This is the outfit for today. So I am wearing these red ribbons in my hair, and then for my top I am just wearing this really simple V-cut crop top from Brandy Melville, and then for my skirt is from Hollister, and I'm pretty sure this is years old because this is like my sister's, it's a hand-me-down. So yeah, but anyways, a super simple outfit for today just because I'm staying home so I don't have to be like super dressed up, and I also wanted to incorporate red, white, and blue for the 4th, of course. So yeah. So tonight I am wearing this really cute fitted ruche dress, and I actually got this in North Shore yesterday, and I'm pretty sure I showed you guys in the vlog, so it actually worked out perfectly because I wanted to wear something kind of like beachy vibe since I'm going to be on a boat tonight. And then for my jewelry, I'm just wearing these really cute dangly earrings. This one has like a cute little flower on this side, and this one is just plain. And then for my bag, I didn't want to bring like a super big bag, but I just brought this little one, and I actually got this in Japan. So I'm just gonna put my phone, my ID, my camera and stuff in here. So yeah.